Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with RevShare payment settings step by step clearly. To authenticate with RevShare payment settings, start by navigating to the RevShare homepage. Log in with your credentials, entering your username and password. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. In the account settings, find the payment settings option. Click on payment settings to proceed to the authentication section. You will see the option for RevShare authentication. Click on the Authenticate button, which will prompt a new window to open. In the new window, enter the necessary payment information, such as your bank account details. Ensure that all information is accurate and double-check for any typos. Read through the terms and conditions related to payment processing. Once you agree, confirm your acceptance to proceed. After confirming, you may need to verify your identity through a security step, such as a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Check your email or phone for the verification code and enter it in the designated field. Submit the verification code to complete the authentication process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your RevShare payment settings have been successfully authenticated. If you do not see the confirmation, revisit each step to ensure all information was entered correctly. You can now proceed to set up or adjust additional payment preferences as needed. Make sure to log out securely once all settings are complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.